Welcome to a short overview of the big data ecosystem. This discussion is going to capture how data flows through modern organizations from collections to insight, and how technology, ethics, and innovation shape that journey. At the center of the graphic is the core of the big data ecosystem. It's defined by four key attributes: volume, velocity, variety, and veracity. Scalability is also important to leveraging big data tools. These represent the massive amounts of data generated every second, the speed at which it moves, the diversity of formats, the trustworthiness, and the need for systems that can grow with demand. Top left, you'll see data sources. Information enters the ecosystem with the data sources. These can be sensors, social media, Internet of Things devices, and countless digital interactions. These inputs feed the ecosystem, creating the raw material for analysis. At the top center, you see cloud and storage. Data moves into the cloud, and storage systems such as data lakes and cloud platforms. These environments provide secure, scalable storage and make data accessible for processing and collaboration. At the top right, you'll see data processing. Processing data transforms that raw data into meaningful insights. Tools like analytics engines and machine learning models can detect patterns and predict outcomes and automate decisions. Midway down on the left, I've placed security and privacy on our big data ecosystem model. As data grows, so do concerns about the value of that data, and consequently, the security of that data, privacy, ethical data use, protection against security breaches, and transparency. Security and privacy are essential to maintaining user trust. Midway down on the right of our big data ecosystem model, you see applications. For those of you that are curious, this animal is a lemming. These animals are key to helping you remember the elements of this model. Lemmings are known for their foraging behavior to solve complex optimization problems. Insights in the big data ecosystem are communicated through data visualization, with dashboards, reports, and interactive charts. Visualization helps to bridge the gap between complex analytics and human understanding. Data powers the applications across industries, improving business intelligence, personalization, fraud detection, healthcare, and more. These applications turn into real-world impact. The lemming is important to our story. They're also known for their herd behavior, which is what we should not do with contradictory data, nor follow industry trends without proper analysis. Don't be like the lemmings' herd behavior and follow the data blindly. This is one of the current challenges with the data ecosystem. If you look to the bottom of our big data ecosystem model, you'll see identified emerging challenges and trends. These include the high cost of big data implementation that prohibit small businesses from leveraging it. You see some ethical concerns like algorithm bias. You'll see automation through artificial intelligence, and the promise of quantum computing to accelerate our data processing. In closing, these elements together form a living ecosystem, one that connects technology, people, and decisions. As organizations continue to innovate, mastering this ecosystem will define the next decade of progress in business, science, and society. This short was designed to get you a tiny snippet of information on the big data ecosystem. Look to my page for more in-depth discussion.